Everyone's phone screamed at 2:48 a.m. Mine didn't. Emergency alert, citywide, people panicking outside my apartment. I checked my phone. No alert, just one message from an unknown number. Do not look out your window. I laughed. Then I heard sirens getting closer. Another message arrived. They can see you now. My TV turned on by itself. Emergency broadcast froze on one image, a blurry photo of my apartment window taken from inside my room. The alert finally appeared on my phone. If you see him, do not move. I looked up. My reflection smiled and waved.